Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Okay, let's look at this problem. So since it is a logarithm function, the first step we want to do is to use the differential rule of natural log function. So we got h prime x equals to 1 over x plus square root of x squared minus 1. Okay, we treat this as a whole. And then we have to differentiate this thing. Then we got x plus square root x squared minus 1 prime, right? How do we deal with thing? Well, we have to use the sum rule and chain rule as well as the power rule to solve this. And before that, I want to rewrite this as a power form. So we have 1 over x plus square root x squared minus 1 times x plus 1 half times plus x squared minus 1 to the 1 half power and then prime. Okay, then copy this down here, x squared plus square root x squared minus 1 times. Okay, so the derivative of x is just 1, right? And the derivative of this thing, we use the power rule, we got x squared minus 1 times, okay, it just 1 minus 1 half is just negative 1 half, right? Okay, then we have to use the chain rule because this is not a single variable, it's a expression, right? So we have to find the derivative of x squared minus 1. It's just the 2x. Okay. Then copy this down here. 1 over x plus square root x squared minus 1 times. Okay, for this whole thing, the negative 1 half of x squared minus 1 is just 1 over square root x squared minus 1, right? So then we can write this as square root of x squared minus 1. The numerator is 1 times 2x. It's just 2x. Okay. Then we can write down this as 1 over x plus square root x squared minus 1. And we rewrite this as, okay, so first we see this 2, we can cancel all the 2's. And we write this as x squared minus 1 over x squared minus 1, right? That just equals to 1, right? And we plus x over x squared minus 1. Okay? So here we got, copy this down as usual. We got x squared minus 1, the square root of x squared minus 1 plus x over x squared minus 1, square root of x squared minus 1, right? And we notice that this thing on the denominator and this thing on the numerator, they're actually the same, right? So we can cancel out these two items. And finally, all the things left is just 1 over square root of x squared minus 1. Okay, that's the solution of this problem. Thank you.